something about, especially about a word because. Because is nothing but a connecting word, a linking word that joins two different sentences together. For example, I gave you an example. I am happy. I got first prize. So now here I ask you to combine these two sentences by using the linking word because. Keep on saying. I am happy. Very good. I am happy because I got first prize. So here we are combining these two differences using the word different sentences using the word because. Because. Okay, clear? Yes. So here the word because is called linking word, a connector, It can join two different sentences in one. I am happy because I got first prize. So yesterday we talked about this one. Today also we are going to discuss something new. I'll let you know what it is. Okay? Like the word because, here also we are going to discuss a word which combines two different sentences. Is nothing but thou. Thou. Keep on repeating. Thou. For example, I tell you something. Thou means thou. Oh, sorry, I give you two examples. Raju is strong. Raju is strong. Okay, it is the first sentence, and then the second sentence as well. Raju does not fight. Simple. Raju does not fight. Okay. Here, what do you want? You go, or else you sit over there. That's it. Raju is strong. What is the first sentence? Raju is strong. Raju does not fight. So here what we have to do is we can combine these two sentences using the connector thou. So I let you know how to combine these two. See now here. First, to do so, we have to write the word thou first. Thou Raju is strong, he does not fight. Thou Raju is strong. Thou Raju is strong. Wait. You said something that thou Raju is strong. He does not fight. Here he said he. Why? Because the word Raju again. We do not repeat our word again and again. Instead of the noun, we use pronoun. So, thou Raju is strong. He does not fight. Okay? Clear? Did you understand? Yes. So here what we have done, just we have combined these two different sentences using the word thou. Clear? Yes. I give you another example. Sir, teacher punished Nishal. Teacher punished Nishal. Nishal did not cry. Now tell me. I give you two. I write the two sentences here. Teacher punished Nishal. It is a sentence. And I give you another sentence. Nishal did not. I have past tense. Did not cry. Now combine these two sentences using the word thou.
Thou teacher punished the mission.
Very good. Thou teacher punished Nishal. Excellent, excellent. Very good, children. Did not cry. Just keep on repeating this sentence. See, if you observe, these are two different sentences, but we are adding them, we are combining them using the connector thou. Like because yesterday how we did it. Clear? So this is about thou. Thou teacher punished Nishal, he did not cry. Did you understand? Thou Raju is strong, he does not fight. Clear? Thou Nityesh drew not good, teacher appreciated him. Clear? It is. In this way you have to right. You have to combine all these sentences. Here, in page number 82, four examples are given. Among these four, already one is done for you. Here I ask you a question now. First one. Second one. Our team played well. A sentence. We lost the match. Now just combine these two by using thou. Our team played well. We lost the match. Okay, next one. Raju is rich. Sir, Raja is rich. Raja is a miser. Next one. Ramya is hurt. She did not cry. Very good. Now I tell you all to write these by using the word thou at your home. Okay? I hope you all understood how to combine the two different sentences using the word connecting word thou. Didn't you? Did you understand? Yes. Is my class clear? Yes. Bye, children.